The CarLock Tag 2.0, a new, improved way to automate and intelligently use your CarLock device from the makers of CarLock. 100% hands-free, the CarLock Tag 2.0 automatically and instantly enables and disables CarLock alerts depending on the owner's distance from their car. And this is confirmed via a unique and distinct notification sound, meaning it isn't necessary to check your phone to know that CarLock security alerts are enabled as you walk away from your vehicle or disabled as you come back into proximity with it. One sound, giving you complete peace of mind that your CarLock device is activated, thanks to the CarLock Tag 2.0. The CarLock Tag 2.0 should be kept with you at all times in a place or with items you keep at close hand, such as your key fob or wallet. It is as easy to install as placing a new key on your key ring or sliding it in your wallet, just as you would a credit card or a coin. And with that, the CarLock Tag 2.0 is ready to go. It works with your original CarLock device and reduces false alarms and security alerts about your own activity within a given distance of your vehicle, because the CarLock Tag 2.0 identifies you as a trusted user of the device. For even greater security and reduce false alarms, purchase the CarLock Tag 2.0 today.